8 effective ways to remove dental plaque naturally. Unfortunately, some of our seemingly innocent habits can have an adverse effect on our teeth, such as smoking, too much caffeine, and irregular dental care. In the end, all of this can lead to the annoying and potentially serious problem of dental plaque formation. If your biggest dream is to see your dentist as rarely as possible while maintaining a smile that would give Julia Roberts a run for her money, then this video is just what you need. Brightside has gathered a list of natural and extremely simple ways to kick that nasty dental plaque to the curb. 8. Baking soda. Baking soda has been used for literally everything. Okay, well, maybe it won't put gas in your car or run your errands, but you get what we mean. It's a fantastic natural scrub, and you'll often find it as an ingredient in a lot of home remedies. When it comes to plaque removal, baking soda is perfectly fit for scraping that tough tartar off your tooth enamel. It's a bit abrasive though, so don't overdo it. Also, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda's fancy name, has the ability to neutralize acids that collect in your mouth. As a result, the amount of harmful bacteria becomes significantly lower. Need some scientific evidence? In 2008, the Journal of Clinical Dentistry published an article analyzing 5 clinical studies and concluded that products containing baking soda powder or baking soda paste removed plaque much more effectively than those without this amazing substance. Yeah, that's great and all, but how can you use it to your own benefit? Just mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a pinch of salt and simply dip your wet toothbrush into the mixture. After that, brush your teeth as usual, and don't forget to thoroughly rinse your mouth. One more way to make your teeth shine is to add enough hydrogen peroxide to 1 teaspoon of baking soda to get a thick enough paste. Brush your gums and teeth with this homemade toothpaste twice a week and enjoy your new Hollywood smile. 7. Aloe vera and glycerin. People have known about the health benefits of aloe vera for years. You're probably most familiar with using its gel to treat sunburns. But did you know that its miraculous powers can be used in oral care as well? You can actually use it as a really powerful and natural toothpaste. Since this plant is antimicrobial, it'll keep your teeth free from plaque. Oh, and to top that off, it also fights bad breath. To make this toothpaste, start by combining 1 cup of water with a ½ cup of baking soda. Then add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 4 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin, and 1 teaspoon of lemon essential oil. Mix it all together into a paste and brush your teeth with it. After that, there's nothing else to do but watch your teeth become whiter, shinier, and healthier within minutes. Try to use this toothpaste twice a day, every day, just like you already do with your store-bought toothpaste. Or at least you should be doing. 6. Orange peel. After you eat an orange, don't throw away the peel. Pick it up and rub it all over your teeth. Sure, you'll look weird, and people might stare or slowly back away from you, but you'll know you're not crazy. You just know that orange peel is a quick and easy way to clean your enamel. Oh, and don't worry, your teeth won't turn orange. If they do, you should maybe consider getting your oranges from a different store because that would be really alarming. Anyway, orange peel will not only whiten your teeth, but it'll also help prevent future stains from forming. After you're done rubbing the inside part of the peel on your pearly whites for a few minutes, rinse it off with some water. Or you could even leave it on your teeth all night and wash it away in the morning. If you have more spare time or patience, you can also mash the orange peel and put it on your teeth. Leave it on for some time, then rinse it and your tooth stains away. 5. Sesame seeds. No, folks, they're not just for decorating hamburger buns. These teeny tiny seeds can also work as a pretty good dental scrub. They'll remove the plaque and even tartar gently and carefully without hurting the teeth. Want to give it a try? Just chew on a handful of sesame seeds for a few minutes. Don't swallow them, even if they are really tasty. Then brush your teeth with a dry toothbrush with the seeds still inside your mouth. This will delicately remove stains on your teeth without damaging the enamel. When you feel like your teeth are clean and shiny, thoroughly rinse your mouth. 4. Vitamin Tooth Mask. You've more than likely heard of face masks, hair masks, or even Halloween masks. But have you ever heard of a tooth mask? Sound interesting enough to try? Well, it's super easy. Mashing up fruits and veggies rich in vitamin C is a quick and simple way to create a plaque-preventing mask for your teeth. Simply mash together some tomatoes, strawberries, and oranges and put the paste on your teeth. Wait for 5 to 6 minutes and then rinse it off. This will help kill any germs in your mouth and freshen up your breath. However, those with sensitive teeth, beware. This mask can hurt a lot. 3. Vinegar Solution. This solution isn't going to win any awards for having a great taste, but it is 100% natural and it does clean your teeth without damaging them. One of the ingredients in white vinegar is acetic acid, which prevents both demineralization of tooth enamel and plaque buildup. It has some antibacterial properties as well. In 2014, the International Journal of Advanced Health Sciences published the results of a study claiming that vinegar was much more effective for dissolving plaque than glycerin or distilled water. So if you're ready to save your teeth from cavity-forming plaque, then combine 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 4 ounces of water. Use this liquidy mixture as a mouth rinse once or twice a day. 2. Cloves. People have been using ground cloves to relieve toothaches for decades. But don't forget about their ability to destroy bacteria in the mouth as well. Yes, exactly those microorganisms that cause plaque and bad breath. In 2014, the Journal of Indian Society and Periodontology issued a study describing the benefits of an herbal mouth rinse that contained cloves and tea tree oil. This rinse reduced the amount of microbial colonies formed, thus serving as an anti-plaque agent. If you want to see the plaque-fighting powers of cloves for yourself, just mix together 1 teaspoon of powdered cloves and some olive oil. Put the mixture on your teeth and leave it there for a couple of minutes. After that, just rinse it off with some cool water. Do this twice a day for the best results. You can also get into the habit of regularly chewing on cloves. This will maintain good oral health and help fight bad breath, if it's because of too much bacteria in the mouth. If you've got bad breath because you ate something funky, well, we can't help you out there. 1. Rosemary Essential Oil. This essential oil will act as a disinfectant, getting rid of germs in your mouth. It fights the buildup of plaque, which will prevent cavity formation and eliminate bad breath. Take several drops of the essential oil and mix them with a tablespoon of water. Rinse your mouth with this liquid for 10 minutes, then spit it out. Just don't swallow this mixture. Do this twice a day and never worry about standing and talking to someone too close again. Hey, maybe you'll even get closer with that special someone you've been crushing on. Some additional plaque-destroying tips. Eat more cheese. Cheese helps produce alkaline saliva, which, in turn, creates a layer of protection around the teeth and neutralizes plaque acid. Eat spicy food. It stimulates the salivary glands, and saliva is your mouth's natural gum and teeth cleaner. Eat raw apples. Do it 1 hour after meals. This fruit cleans the teeth and heals the gums. Apparently, it keeps both the doctor and the dentist away. Eat figs. They stimulate saliva production and strengthen the teeth. Try to avoid sugary and starchy foods. These are a favorite playground for oral bacteria. You might think to yourself, why waste my time on getting rid of the plaque on my teeth? It doesn't bother me none. Well, you can say that now, but you'll really be regretting it down the road. Keeping your teeth plaque-free is a must if you want your teeth to be healthy. And don't forget that healthy teeth are the ones that stay in your mouth. Have you ever heard of a dentist pulling a perfectly healthy tooth? Yeah, I didn't think so. Rather than dealing with tooth decay and all sorts of other serious problems, it's better just to get that gross stuff off your teeth. There are actually two things to worry about, not only plaque but also tartar. People often confuse them, believing that they're one and the same. However, plaque is the bacteria that accumulate on the teeth and produce lactic acid that demineralizes enamel. As for tartar, you can notice it on the outside of your teeth. It looks like white or yellow patches. Tartar appears as a result of saliva, food, grime, and dirt collecting on the teeth. Tartar helps the plaque stick to your teeth because it's porous, which makes it the perfect home for the plaque to build up around and inside the pores. If plaque and tartar aren't removed, cavities start to appear, and if those are left untreated, it can lead to all sorts of other issues like gum disease, gingivitis, infections, or abscesses. Pretty serious, right? Plus, dentists nowadays know that poor dental hygiene can even lead to coronary disease and diabetes. None of that sounds very appealing, does it? So don't risk it. Just take good care of your teeth. It only takes a couple of minutes twice a day to save yourself from a whole lot of bigger problems later on. Plus, now you have some really effective, inexpensive, and natural ways to do it. Are you a stickler when it comes to taking care of your teeth? Share with us your favorite oral care approaches in the comments below. Also, share this video with your friends so that they'll also know how to protect their teeth. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of cool stuff on the bright side of life.